What if I told you that your first $100 could be the most important money you'll ever invest? Most people think you need thousands of dollars to build wealth, but that's exactly what keeps them from ever getting started. The truth is, investing isn't about how much money you have. It's about starting early and staying consistent. So if you've got just $100, here's exactly what I do. 1. Before you invest, ask yourself one question. Will I need this money next month? If the answer is yes, don't invest it yet. Build a small emergency fund first. Investing works best when you can leave your money alone for years, not weeks. The biggest mistake beginners make is investing money they might need tomorrow. 2. Now, let's invest that $100 the smart way. Instead of trying to pick the next Apple or Tesla, buy a low-cost S&P 500 index fund or ETF. Why? Because with one investment, you're buying small pieces of hundreds of America's biggest companies. If some companies struggle, others keep growing. That makes index funds one of the simplest and most diversified ways for beginners to invest. You don't have to be a stock market expert. You just have to stay invested.
Here's where the real magic happens. Don't stop at $100. Add just $25 or $50 every month. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. Some months prices go up. Some months they go down. But by investing regularly, you avoid trying to perfectly time the market. Over time, consistency usually beats chasing quick profits. End. Remember, your first $100 probably won't make you rich, but it will build something even more valuable: the habit of investing. Every millionaire investor started with their first investment. Yours could be today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple investing tips, and remember, the best time to start investing was years ago. The second best time is today. See you in the next video.